been awake. I went to bed late, like 2 o'clock, doing edits. And yeah, I heard my makeup artist tell me this. So when she did my makeup last, she said God speaks in the dark, and I really believe that, because that's why I can't never sleep, because I feel like the world is quiet and I'm able to get creative in those moments. So the struggle. But today is well, today officially starts Evelyn's cheer competition. So we about to get up and get ourselves packed, because I haven't. I was supposed to do that last night, but that didn't work out. But I kind of know what everything is, and I've kind of started all this week. So I don't have much, just the last minute stuff. I still need to go to the hair store because they are requesting that they wear a curly ponytail, and I thought I had one, but I guess I don't. So I have to go to the hair store. We're gonna pick the kids up early today. At least we have to be on the road before no later than 3 o'clock. So that's our goal. My husband here to help me. I think the only thing that's slowing me down right now is I'm cramping. I woke up with cramps, so I just took some ibuprofen, so hopefully it kicks in really quick. I wish my dog be quiet. I'm cramping right now, which I knew because it started to come on a regular, like on the 1st, the 31st or the 1st. So yeah, but it's going to be a long weekend because I am on my cycle. The inconvenience sometimes. And normally I know this is TMI, but I mean, I have period, what the heck. Normally when I'm on my cycle, I'll wear the silicone cup, and I'll wear my period panty undies. However, because I just had my surgery, I'm still not clear to wear my cups, and my cups are such a saver for me. Like, I don't have to worry about changing my pads throughout the day. Like, I literally when I put it on in the morning, I can go all day without having to worry about having an accident or changing any pads. I could literally just wear the cup, and then when I'm in the shower, I just take it out. So this is the part I don't like. And then I'm still in the faja. So the last month when I started, I just wore my diapers, but I was home all day. But because we have this event, the competition this weekend, the diapers are really, you know, you can see through it and bulky. So I don't know how this is going to play out. I just gotta get some pads. I don't want to think about it. It's stressing me out. But yeah, the inconvenience of Caitlin. Who getting on your nerves, Caitlin? We made it to Corpus. We're about to go grab a bite to eat.
Family beside me, love all around me, glory in the making. Suitcase on the floor, baby, we just touched down. Hotel lights glowing, it's a new cheer town. Hair bows packed, little queens about to crown. We don't rush the moment, we just move with sound. Everything we do with love and intention. We don't force the shine, baby, we are the ascension. Step into the room and the energy listens. God wrote this weekend and we're just living a vision. But
So we are in Corpus for competition, and we are in HEB. I am so lost. What is what? Okay, no, we don't need any of that. Come on this side. Some snacks for Caitlin tomorrow.
Mama got a camera, yeah, we capturing gems. These are the days we'll remember again and again and again, yeah, again. again. We don't chase moments, we make them. We don't pray for blessings, we claim them. Everything we touch turn golden. Every step forward, chosen, chosen. Yeah, we chosen. Yeah, we chosen. We pulled up, we arrived. Heart full, this is real life. We gon' eat good, laugh loud, feel light. Snacks for the night, joy for the ride. We here, oh we here. Corpus, feel the love this year. We here, oh we here. Sure they coming near, baby girl, no fear.
Morning, y'all. We are in Corpus this weekend. It's here. My daughter has cheer competition, and we made it yesterday. Literally, as soon as we got on the road, I went to sleep. I had to get everybody's bags together, so, and kind of straighten up. Like, I'm the type of parent, I guess my mom has me that way, when we at least get on the road, if we travel anywhere, make the house decent. So I spent literally my whole morning cleaning and trying to get the house together. Which I had some things together because I knew I didn't want to rush throughout the week, but I don't know what the heck happened. My daughter, I go in her room and everything was just like out of the bag. Like, I don't know what the heck she was doing, so I had to go in just to make sure she was not missing anything. So I had to do each kid at a time. It was a lot, but yeah, the latest we had to get on the road because they wanted us here so they could practice. Everybody needed to be here in Corpus because we're at the same hotel for, what was it, before 7 o'clock. So they wanted us to leave no later than 3 o'clock. So we were rushing to get on. But we made it. We got here. It was 2 hours from San Antonio, so we got here. What was it, like right at 6, I want to say. So yeah. So this morning I had to get up early and get a head start. I'm about to start on my lashes because I've been looking a mess. Let's see. So I used to get my lashes done, but I feel like when I was running and sweaty, my retention was really bad. So I don't think that it was, I feel like it was too expensive for me to continue on because I do like it. I love the lashes, don't get me wrong, but workout girl, absolutely, I could not do it. So I had to learn a way that works for me. I cannot apply individual lashes. They always, when I'm in pictures, I look a mess when I have on individual lashes. So, I mean the strips when I do those, but I tried the clusters too. The clusters, they would be all over the place when I wake up in the morning, so that wouldn't work as well. And I tried different glues. It wasn't it. It was irritating my eyes. And so this is what seemed to work for me. I don't know if you can, I got these from Amazon, but you can get them from any store. And this one, they actually work for me. And they actually last a long time as well. So I typically just apply them to the top. I love them. And it's easy for me to apply because normally they're not the best. So yeah, we'll see. Without lashes, I've been looking a hot mess, but I just haven't had time to apply them on. So let's see. To put them on yesterday in the car, and my husband, he kept hitting the freaking, he wasn't hitting the road, it was just the car was really shaky. I don't know if it has something to do with the wind or what, but I tried to apply one and I was like all over the place, so I just stopped. And then I was gonna try to put them on last night. I looked everywhere in this hotel room, and it just was, I couldn't find them. But I had my husband go look in the car, and they were in the car. He was mad because it's cold outside. And so the event today is, a lot of the parents mentioned that it is freezing inside of the arena that we're gonna be at, because it's a ice rink in there. Make sure you are prepared and have your blankets and have layers of clothes on. And y'all, me and the kids are straight. Guess who not straight? The hubby. He packed his stuff yesterday and he went straight to the restaurants to make sure that they had everything. And honestly, I couldn't even think straight or communicate this to him, because, which I feel like I did tell him this. I don't know, it's been so busy. I feel like I did explain it to him, but you know, man. And he bought shorts, so he gonna be cold. Tell him we have to stop at the store. I was like, see, I would have better communicated this. If I would have known your plan, I thought, you know, you was gonna be at home. We get these kids done together. Nope. So let's talk about these tweezers. Let's talk about traveling with kids. That ain't it. These little movies make it seem so cute and glam. Heck to the no, I do not recommend. Like, if it's like somewhere where it entertains the kids, now don't get me wrong. Disney cruise, they got entertainment. It's an entertainment cruise. Family vacations, you know, Disney World, those things, competition. It sucks traveling, because guess who's the one having to make sure they have everything, and snacks and all of those things, entertainment things to keep them occupied. It's a lot. And normally when we get hotels, we're like get multiple rooms, like get a suite, because my family is just too big to just be in one room and together with the double beds. But I didn't get out. Honestly, I was late for the reservations, for one, when making it, the reservations, but also I was late for making reservations, so I ended up having to book separately from the group ratings, and that was fine because they didn't have like the suites, and so I needed like a bigger room. And honestly, even with that, this room being big, it's one of the biggest rooms, it's still small to me compared to what we used to. Because if I book something, I'm booking with like a living room, multiple TVs for sure. So we have one TV, which is fine because they do have their tablets, but it's just not it.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Big mama lashes, longer than a plastic. She put them on like magic, with love and grace and passion. Big mama lashes, they don't come automatic. They might be problematic, but they always end up fantastic. Cheer comes in the bathroom, getting ready, going soon. Patience, I can feel the bloom. I show up with all my love and grace, with all my love and grace. And if they move out of place, I put them right back in their place. Lashes long and lasting, than the past is. With love and grace and passion. Big mama lashes, they don't come automatic.
Alrighty, so we are finished with the lashes. This side was, oh, excuse me, so much quicker. So I'm gonna let it dry. But I am back. Oh my goodness. It's been a while. I think I've had lashes since my surgery, now that I think about it. The battery died. Dang it. I didn't even have it on that long. That's fine. So I'm just going to put this stuff back. This is how much I've used. This is what's left. So I should be good my next one. I'll probably have to go into a new pack next time, but we'll see. And it comes with 3 packs. I got it from Amazon. And this is a large 3x volume long because my lashes are really long. So I had to go this route.
Doing her hair, adjusting her crown, cheering her on quietly. She is growing, and I am right here. Ooh, and I am right here.
So I need to get myself together. I have not gotten myself together. So I'm not doing too much today. I got this a while ago. It's called Skin Tint. And I got 2 kinds. I got it from Amazon. You can literally, it was like 2 for like 10. I think it was under that. I don't know. It wasn't expensive at all. I had been seeing this on TikTok, so I was kind of skeptical. But I like it. I got 2 tones because I wasn't sure the color I needed. Since my brows is done, I don't need to do it. This is really my everyday touch-up too, because I just do not want to have all that makeup on. I barely want to do it when I do like have to go to engagements or any type of formal pictures. You would think I love it, but I don't like all the makeup. But I know I'm not that good of a makeup artist to master it myself. So this is a lighter tone. So let me see if I'm gonna do this. We'll see. Before I like blend it in, I don't know, but it's thick. So.
Did I forget to tell you?
Got my brows
This is your best
bladed,
decision.
microbladed, like a while ago. Did my touch up, but I haven't went.
Now let's get back to business. And if you're still here, you're halfway through. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We in this journey together. Now let me finish this face real quick.
Do a timer to see how long it take me to even do this, because it doesn't take long at all. And then some blush. Maybe I wouldn't do the timer because I'm up here looking for stuff. I feel like nothing's in here. This is like really one of my faves. I should probably just get a new one. Maybelline. I think I got this from like Walmart. It's in her backpack. It's in her backpack.
Your backpack yet?
Here. She need this one. She can't do that baby stuff no more. Oh.
You want to brush your teeth, babe?
My 3-year-old, her breath stink. I'm like, the past couple of days, I'm like smelling her breath. I'm like, what the heck? Why it smell like that? Sis can't do no bubblegum no more. She gotta do the real stuff. Cause she needs some mint in her mouth. So we tossing that bubble-licious stuff away. Huh? No. Yeah, she gonna have to use that one. Sis breath be funky. I got these cute earrings from Amazon. It says Mama. I'm trying to get with the program thing at Cheer Mom. Because I've been doing football and honestly I was ready for it was exhausting. But cheer is different, you know. I'm a mom, girl mom. When you're a girl mom and you're a kid in sports, then it's different. How cute. It's so cute. I have a hat that I'm wearing. Yeah, I probably just. And I got this hat that says Mommin'. And then on the side it says, too busy to care, period. Do you see that? Because I am. Huh?
Are they long?
So sister girl lashes are too long, so she cannot wear the lashes.
Sadly, I wanted to.
You didn't want to wear them,
Yes,
but
I did.
Oh, you had a change of heart. Let's see.
I mean, they are pretty long.
Let's see. Turn. Open and look up. They are long. Close them.
You just took another shower?
This morning I did.
Oh, this is cute.
Wait, I'm not finished.
No,
Can you
this
turn your
one.
body? I'm not finished.
I know.
Turn.
That's cute.
Girl, we don't have a problem when you keep opening and close. So I thought I wasn't gonna have a freaking camera. My son dropped my camera. Oh, I was sad. But it's working. Turn.
It's long. Wait, what is this cute again? Yeah.
I got it on my close it. Mascara is this eyeshadow. It's pretty much, it goes on your lashes to kind of help it give it that bold look, like a tint, without the actual lashes. I guess that's the right wording for this stuff. I don't know the right terminology for this. Okay.
You finished?
All right, go show your coach.
It's cute.
Okay. She said, Daddy, I got mascara on. Okay. Hey. Not cute, but whatever. still get that look like I have makeup, and it's just really a tint. I'm trying to tell y'all. And it protects your skin at the same time and gives it that glow. Like, it's so moisturized right now. Oh, and it doesn't like, let me see, let me test it out first. Oh, just a little, but I wonder if that's from, it barely rinse over. So let me finish getting dressed. So Caitlin, the event, you have to bring clear bags, and you can't bring any form of snacks or anything. So I snuck like peanut butter jelly sandwich and beef jerky, like her little snacks she likes, inside the diapers. So hopefully it picks it up. So hopefully we don't get caught with it. If not, we're gonna have to take it to the car, but the car isn't too far. So let's see. Anything to say?
Nope. Just here so I won't get fined.
He get fined. Look his outfit.
They said it's cold in there.
And he bought his shorts, so he put his costume underneath it.
Keep my secret. I'll do what you gotta do.
He may get cold and have to go to the store anyway.
They said it's cold in there.
Yeah. It's a what kind of hockey stadium? It's a hockey stadium?
Huh?
It's a hockey stadium?
See how big that cuss word out? Just tomorrow, you know, it's going back to cup. It's hot.
It is really hot.
What's in your mouth? Who gave you gum?
Oh Lord, did she pick it up off the floor? Where you get gum from? Where you get gum from? Caitlin. Oh goodness, I hope she ain't pick up nobody gum off the ground.
Evelyn, you gave Kenny some gum? You gave Kenny some gum?
You gave Caitlin some gum?
Yeah. Where'd you get gum from?
Oh gosh.
Girls, look at me. I didn't see all y'all faces. Look at me.
Caitlin. 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 Oh goodness. She done that before too. Hey y'all, so it is currently, what time it is? 3:58, so 4 o'clock. We're in Corpus. Daryl, say hi. So we are outside. We still have a minute until, I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I don't have a mic or anything, but we are, currently outside. We still have a long wait. I think it was like 20 plus girls ahead of us. They are like 2 hours behind. And Caitlin, stop. So we are catching a breather outdoors. It's freezing inside, so that when they say it was gonna be cold, oh my goodness. So the inside of the building behind me is actually a what is it, a hockey what? A hockey ring, skating ring, whatever.
You gotta kick with your foot.
And so it's freezing in there. So everybody has blankets and everything. So remember when I said my son dropped my phone earlier? I was scared my camera wasn't gonna work. Well, it was working for a little bit after he dropped it, and now it's not working. The lens of my camera is destroyed right now, so I'm sad.
This is my memory, my heart, my motherhood in motion. Yeah, this is my memory, my heart, my motherhood in motion. Yeah, this is my memory, my heart, my motherhood in motion. Outside on the scooter trying to warm up, didn't know the emotions that were waiting for us. Inside, watching Evelyn open the cheer competition, I cried. That's my baby growing right in front of me. This is my memory, my heart, my motherhood in motion. Yeah, this is my memory, my heart, my motherhood in motion. Yeah. This is my memory, my heart, my motherhood in motion.
My show was like, where are the people in Corpus? Because I have not seen nobody. It's like ghost town out here. But hot dog or chicken? Gumballs? Gumbo? What do you want to eat? Gumballs? Gumballs. Gumbo? You want gumbo? We're just leaving the oyster part. What was the name of it? Water, ocean water. I don't know. The best thing on the menu was their, what would you say? French fries. Oh, I agree. Just the French fries. Yeah, leave it there. The kids are tired. Evelyn was asleep at the table, and Caitlin, she was on me falling asleep. So we are headed home. He's the only one wide awake because he took a nap at the place. Ready for shower and bed. I wish I was home with my heated blanket right now. I'm ready to go back home. Hey y'all, it's Sunday. Hello, hello.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Caitlin?
Estoy bien.
We are headed to the beach.
Oh, na 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 na. Yeah. Thank you, Corpus Christi. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the cheering and the laughs and the love. Thank you for the mom tears when our babies step into their moment. If you watched or supported,
So we arrived at the beach.
clapped along.
Kids are excited.
Thank you so much.
I'm cold.
We will remember this forever. treasures, salty kisses, this family memory never misses. Wet clothes, dripping salty skin, laughter echoes from deep within, ocean whispering where to begin. No schedule now, no need to win. Oh, what a feeling, no competition, just pure sunshine, sweet disposition, seashell treasures, salty kisses, this family memory never misses. Carry it on this perfect day, every moment come what may. Hearts are full, no words to say, chasing worries far away.
So we are at Whataburger. This is largest Whataburger. Oh my god.
It's 2:09. I got Whataburger on my mind. It's time to eat. The sun is shining, but I feel that heat. Yeah, that sun is beating on me. After the beach, it's time to eat. 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 Getting back home, the road is calling, but I'm not alone. I got my crew, feeling the vibes and I'm feeling brand new. Oh, I got my Whataburger crew. After the beach, it's time to eat.
As moms, we know how important it is to make the first period a little less scary and a lot more special. That's why Kylie and I are excited to share Period, the very first period kit made just for girls. Inside, you'll find everything she needs to feel prepared and cared for, from essentials to self-care items, all wrapped in one thoughtful box. And my favorite part, the book that walks her through the journey with confidence, encouragement, and love. With Period, it's not just about products, it's about support. A care-in-a-box moment that says you've got this. Because every girl deserves to be prepared for her period, feeling empowered, not overwhelmed. Period.